Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a feature in Windows that feels straight out of the feature. You can talk and Windows will type it for you in any app that's called voice typing. Let's get started. Click anywhere you would normally type. So let's type with the notepad for time being. Let's clear all the things now. Okay, it's empty. So it could be WhatsApp anything. It could be wherever you wanted to type. It could be WhatsApp, Instagram, Notes app, search bar, anywhere at all. Now press the Windows key and letter H together. Windows key, letter H. So this is once after you, let's stop this now. After, yeah, let's stop this now. Now I pressed the Windows along with H together the same time. A small microphone bar will pop up on your screen, right? So just start speaking normally. So now I stopped it. Let's start this listening, right? Just start speaking normally in a clear voice. As you talk, Windows will cover your speech into text and type it out for you live. So in whatever app you click into it. So let's try. So we are already trying, right? So this works almost everywhere. WhatsApp, Instagram messages, browser search, Word document, Notes app, basically any place you can normally type text. So if you want to stop, just click the microphone icon again and say stop listening. So either I can type here or I can say stop listening. So you see that it stopped. So I didn't. So I say stop listening. I say okay. I stopped it now. So sometimes it's not working. This is the perfect for when your hands are busy, when you are text fasting. Honestly, just when you want to feel like you are living in future. That's so it's a cool feature, right? You can record. Suppose you recorded something, you wanted to type, you wanted to text from that recording. You just place a mobile phone in front of this and you click text. It stop writing it into text. So this is an amazing feature I I I came to know. That's all it for today's tip. If you found this cool, please like the video, subscribe for more simple Windows tips. Thank you for watching.